Welcome to JH. Today, we are exploring Spreadshirt, a fantastic platform for designing and selling custom merchandise like t-shirts and tote bags. Whether you want to launch a print-on-demand business or simply create unique gifts for friends and family, this is the perfect place to start. I will walk you through the entire process step by step. Spreadshirt simplifies the business side by managing production, shipping, returns, and payments. Your role is to upload your artwork and choose which products to feature. It is an ideal solution for entrepreneurs who want to run an online store without the risks of inventory or upfront costs, allowing you to focus entirely on your brand and creativity. To begin, visit Spreadshirt.com and click the Start Selling button located in the top right corner. You have two primary ways to distribute your designs. The first is the Spread Shop, which functions as your own branded online store. You can customize the layout and colors to match your style while setting your own prices. This is perfect if you already have an audience. The second option is the Marketplace, where your designs are shown to Spreadshirt's existing massive traffic. This is a low-risk way for beginners to gain exposure without needing to drive their own traffic. You can eventually transition to a Spread Shop or even manage both as your business expands. After selecting your preferred selling method, you will need to provide some basic details to set up your account. Enter your email address, choose a shop name, and create a secure password. Do not overthink the name right now, as you can always rebrand later. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions before clicking Create Account. Once you are logged in, you will land on the dashboard. This is your central control center where you can manage your designs, tweak shop settings, track sales analytics, and request your earnings through the Payouts section. Now for the creative part. Click on the Designs tab in the left-hand menu and hit the Upload button. You can drag and drop your files or browse your computer to select them. For professional results, ensure your design is high resolution, ideally at least 300 dpi. Spreadshirt supports various formats, including PNG for transparent logos, JPG for photos, and SVG for scalable vector art. Once your file is uploaded, you will choose whether to assign it to your specific shop or the global marketplace to maximize your reach. Next, you will select the products that best showcase your artwork. Spreadshirt offers a massive variety, from classic hoodies and mugs to eco-friendly bags and pet accessories. The platform will automatically suggest items that work well with your design, but you have full control to uncheck any products that do not fit your vision. You can also handpick specific colors and sizes for each item to ensure your design looks its best. This flexibility helps you tailor your offerings to what your target audience will actually want to buy. Setting your prices is the final step in the setup. Spreadshirt provides a base price for every item, which covers manufacturing and shipping. You then add your own markup, which represents your profit. For example, if a hoodie has a base cost of $30 and you add a $10 markup, the customer pays $40, and you earn $10 from the sale. It is wise to research what your audience is willing to pay so you don't undervalue your work or price yourself out of the market. Once you are happy with your selections and pricing, click Publish. Your products are now live. From here, focus on promotion by sharing your shop link on social media or working with influencers to get the word out.